Back at the 4 unit, we are here today to take a look at this thing and check on the progress. We got unit 4 cleaned up, and we're here to take pictures and get this sucker re-ready for rent. Hey, real quick, can you hit that like button for me? I appreciate you. Thanks. New siding going all around the building. We started on it yesterday. And it looks like we still got some trash up there. My guy was supposed to be done with it. All right, so we got our plywood up here, so we got something to brace everything to. And it's super windy today, so I'm sure that's why they're not here today. But it's coming along good. Front side of the building, already wrapped. Let's check this thing out. Power's on, heat's on. We like that. Still got to get the corner pieces back on. But we're looking good. I need a favor. Can you hit that like button for me? I would really appreciate it, and it helps the channel out a lot. Now, let's get back to the video. Things are looking great here at the 4 unit. Again, this is unit 4, and it will be for rent very soon.